Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, let's download and install Google Chrome and set the best settings for it together. Okay? First is you need to open your Microsoft Edge, and once you type google.com and then enter, you will be redirected here. Okay, just simply click on download. So in my case, I have already downloaded the Chrome, so just let me close this and go to Google Chrome. So once you open your Google Chrome, let's just wait for a while. Just have to go to the top corner here. As you can see, it has these three dots. Simply click that and then go to settings. Scroll down to go to settings and then click that again. And once you are being redirected to your settings, let's wait for a while. Okay, go to on startup. Here you can select startup that you want to be in your Google Chrome. I mean, if you want to go to this open new tab page, your homepage will actually look like this. But if you wanna, let me go back first. If you want to add a website that will be in your homepage, then just select this open a specific page or set of pages and then add a new page and then paste a certain or particular website that you want to add to. And then, but if you want to leave that, I mean, the first screen that I've showed you, then just click this open the new tab page. And then after that, you need to go for privacy and security. And then here you need to go for security and under the safe browsing, you need to make sure that either the two of this is on because this will protect you against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. Okay, so once done, just simply go back and then go for site settings. Here, you need to make sure that under this permissions, locations, this collapse unwanted request is on and might as well here in the camera. Sites can use your camera. Just make sure that you don't allow sites to use your camera. Okay. Then here in this microphone, make sure that also you turn this on. Don't allow sites to use your microphone. Okay. So those are the best settings, I mean perfect settings that you could set here in your Google Chrome for a safety browsing experience, okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and might as well share this video. Thank you for watching.